question.
ma'am, let us be fair because you have been insinuating I am a lawyer for Lucky Star. That is why...
Excuse me. Yes,
kasi iba
please
po
do
yung
that. Thank
usap-usapan
you.
lang, iba kapag notaryadong dokumento.
Okay. And
I'm familiar with the rules of the Senate, and the Senate says that in proving facts, the rules of court apply in the suppletory character.
I don't need to argue with you about
Opo.
that, attorney.
Pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang
excuse me, sandali po. You don't need to tell the committee what the rules of the Senate
Well,
are.
I'm just
Please
citing
just
po.
answer our question. You don't
My
need to
answer
cite,
po
it's not
is
necessary.
that document is only evidence of its existence. Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually,
Pag
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier,
hindi po
excuse
siya
me.
po
No,
pwede.
excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me
No,
kasi...
excuse me, attorney.